Well, hello, today I'm going to show you how to transform a Makita cordless hedge trimmer to a cordless grass shear machine. Oh yeah. This is a really good tool. It's not only possible to use it as hedge trimmer, it is for grass really nice too. First step is we unplug the battery, of course, because safety first, as you can see. So then we have to remove the additional parts. Here the chip receiver, we have to remove it easily, and then we go with the next step. Unlock this cover on the bottom side, and we have to unscrew two screws, because these two screws are hold the shear blades into position. After we unscrew these two screws, we can easily remove the entire unit of the hedge trimmer system. Yeah. And on the bottom side, you can see here, there's a plate. This plate is rotating while the machine is running, and this makes this produces the shear effect. So the next step is, of course, we have to insert the new one. For this, we rotate to the right side of the shearing device. We get it in position, and the next thing is we can make a little bit of maintenance, use a little bit oil to let it flow nice, and we come to the assembling of the grass shear unit. The grass shear unit here has two blades, as you can see, and these blades are movable parts, and we have to get them in a line with the machine, with the appliance itself, and with this we can give it into position. If we have problems with that locking system there, use a flat screwdriver to give a line of it. Then we can start for installing this. Go from the back side, lock it in position, and then go and push it in the hole. Here we are again on the back side first, then a little bit shaky. Maybe you have to control the blades a little bit by your hands, and if it is in center position, you are on the right. And then, of course, it is ready. The only thing you have to do is we have to insert again the cover, and after we inserting the cover again, we are ready. And now the transformation is completed. We transferred this Makita cordless hedge trimmer to a cordless grass shear. Oh yeah! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.